Good afternoon. I'm 9 News weather impact team meteorologist Kathy Sabine here in the 9 News Weather Center on a beautiful Thursday. We have mostly sunny skies with a few high clouds drifting in, lighter winds today, and really calm and dry statewide. But looking ahead to the weekend, if you're itching to get up on the slopes, many of the resorts are open for business. We have another round of snow coming to the high country, and this will be a prolonged snow event which will time out really well for the Thanksgiving holiday week. Now, it may impact travel for lower elevations a bit and in the mountains, as we'll see the snow develop from Sunday and continue into Tuesday for the high country. When that system crosses Colorado, we might have a chance at a little bit of snow here in Denver on Wednesday, but not today. Let's go out. It's beautiful outside. We do have blue skies and we have light winds. Those high thin clouds could certainly make for a pretty sunset tonight. The sun goes down at 4:39 in the evening, so you still got a few hours of daylight to get out and get things done and get some of that vitamin D, because it is a beautiful afternoon out there. Those high clouds decorating the sky. A lot of the snow from that storm a couple weeks ago pretty much gone along the foothills. And your weather headlines include Denver, warm and dry right through the end of this week, which is tomorrow, Friday, and into the weekend. But we're tracking a mountain storm for Sunday. Thanksgiving forecast changing with the arrival of that Pacific storm, and chance for snow and cold in Denver later next week. We start at 25 degrees today. Average high for the date is 51. Record today is 73. We have already warmed into the lower 50s for many areas. Look at Fort Collins at 55, Laramie at 54, 51 in Greeley, and 53 in Colorado Springs, almost 60 in Trinidad. So these numbers will go another 2 to 5 degrees, we think, maybe even 8 degrees warmer than the numbers we're showing you now by the time the sun sets tonight. So again, it depends upon what the wind's doing in your area and how much snow you still have on the ground. Right now, DIA coming in at 50 degrees, humidity 28%, and winds are light out of the north, so really pretty afternoon. Those high and mid-level clouds coming in, again, may stick around long enough for a pretty sunset shot. This is all ahead of a powerful low pressure system spinning in the Pacific Northwest, known as a quote-unquote bomb cyclone, because it has a very low barometric pressure, historic actually, tapping into the atmospheric river, and that's coming in off the Pacific. So that's just bringing periods of rain from northern and central California up through Oregon and Washington, and periods of snow to the Sierras and also the northern Rockies. And we could be looking at 5 to 10 inches of rain from San Francisco up to Portland, and 2 to 5 feet of snow. Now, this is an area that's been plagued by drought and wildfires, and they need the water, but we have already seen hundreds of thousands of people without power as a result of hurricane force winds, and this system is still spinning and has yet to move through that area. And so if your travel takes you out of Colorado into the Pacific Northwest, travel will certainly be impacted by this storm. And this is the storm that we're tracking for Colorado for the weekend, and this is the one that could in fact bring some snow to snow to the mountains, a prolonged period from Sunday to Tuesday, but then eventually the chance for some snow showers right here in the city. Winds today at the surface out of the south and southeast, but over some of those higher passes, get some gusts of 15 and 20 miles per hour, especially over Kenosha Pass, Wilkerson Pass, and Loveland Pass. High pressure is sandwiched in between two troughs. The one in the Midwest is sliding into the northeast, where we expect impacts for travelers that are headed to Chicago, New York, Washington, Boston. The one in the west will stay west of Colorado for now, but in 72 hours that ridge breaks down, allowing in for some of that Pacific moisture, which will come in the form of wind and clouds initially, and that could lead to high fire danger on Saturday, believe it or not, along the Front Range, when temperatures will soar into the upper 60s and possibly 70 degrees. Now, the mountains will see cool, stormy weather starting Sunday, and that continues right into Tuesday of next week. Bullseye for heavy flooding rain, San Francisco up to Portland, and then on the other coast from Chicago, Washington, and New York. So no travel issues in Colorado today, tonight, tomorrow, or Saturday. High clouds spilling in from the northwest, but that's really about it. Forecast low temperatures tonight will be not as cold. Yesterday morning we had a low of 15. This morning we were at 25. Tonight's low at 33. Some of the high mountain valleys will be in the single digits and teens, and some of the eastern plains communities with snow cover will continue with cold temperatures tonight. We have temperatures today and tomorrow in the upper 50s and lower 60s. So beautiful forecast for the next couple of days and good travel to get you out and about. Mostly clear and 33 tonight. The sun goes down at 4:39 with light winds out of the west and southwest. Tomorrow, we have a mostly sunny start to the day, and temperatures will climb into the upper 50s and low 60s by about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Should be a dry day, should be a sunny day, and this weather trend will continue right through Saturday. And then it is Sunday when things start to change. The mountains see scattered snow showers that'll develop and continue off and on through Tuesday. Sunday night, it's possible to have a stray snow shower on Sunday night. Monday and Tuesday, not much moisture coming in, but certainly a cooling trend. And then Wednesday right now, we've got the chance for a few snow showers in Denver. We don't have accumulation in the forecast, but it'll certainly be colder. And then we have Thanksgiving Thursday, actually dry at this point. That could certainly be changing with just sort of the storm crossing Colorado. But right now we have Thanksgiving Thursday, partly cloudy, chilly with temperatures in the 40s. So good weather to get out, walk the dogs, throw the football, and burn off some of that turkey and that big meal. Outside right now, great day for a walk, sunshine, high clouds, and mid 50s. So coming up today on 9 News at 3 o'clock, we're going to talk in detail about that Pacific storm headed for Colorado, and we'll talk about your holiday forecast and the extended outlook for next week. A lot of people traveling, or they have family and friends coming in. A lot of you do, I know you do, and I know a lot of you have shopping to do and cooking to do. So weather will be an important part of your holiday week, and I'll have all those forecast details for you coming up in just a bit on 9 News at 3 o'clock. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.